That video's up as we're unboxing a PS3 not unboxing, but taking apart a PS3 controller.
And this is the main frame that
Here's
controls
the
all of it.
bumper, another bumper. Here's a trigger. We lost the other triggers. What are these?
Those are the connection parts that go to that. No, this is the bumper, and these are the triggers.
Oh yeah, what? For Xbox, these are the bumpers. This is these are the triggers. You play PS3, I play Xbox One. Here's the screws. Let me see the other controllers.
These are what they used to look like, and this is what it looks like now.
Here's another controller. Here's other controllers.
This is what it looks like now. Don't. Hey, go hand me the scissors.
Where they at?
They're up there.
I can't get that in.
Hey, just go get the scissors real quick.
I can't get that in. How you gonna get that in?
I got it. Oh, look, another freaking piece. That's what was holding it down.
Dude, look at this mouse. Where'd you get these at?
I don't know, but watch out, it might spark.
Oh, there goes that.
It's the battery pack.
Got the battery pack. Yeah, that was spark right there. Caused the fire.
What?
That was spark right there. Caused the fire. Ooh, I got this part out. So it was like right there. Here's another, like,
yeah, it's supposed to stay in there.
right.
I'm trying to see if there's another freaking screw somewhere, because this is holding in too good.
Because some of them you had to pop out, like, really, really hard.
We don't need that right now.
We're gonna have to need that later. So that's where you charge your controller right there.
Yeah, that's the charging power. See, battery pack?
Yeah, I know, but that right there is where you'll plug in your plug in.
But yeah, we're gonna sell that. Hey, go. Okay.
Pop on. I'm gonna sell this.
No, I'm gonna keep them for now.
You can't sell that.
Yeah, you can. It's a battery pack. You can replace it.
Oh yeah, small enough. You got two black controllers. Which one don't work?
They both work. Those are why I keep them up there.
Well, what about that one that was a broken or that run?
Yeah, but it still works.
Taking apart a controller.
Taking apart the golden controller.
Whoa!
Zeze, don't get near this stuff, okay?
Stay right there.
Yeah, sit right there.
One of these to it missing.
I know, that's why we're taking it apart, because we don't need it. Be careful, dude.
Turn up music.
Sorry.
Oh, that's why it's holding in so good.
Yeah.
You got a piece right here. Back up, that's it. Yeah.
Yeah.
What? I don't know.
It's all focused on you. There we go. It's all
Yeah,
focused
what's
on you,
holding
dude.
it?
Yeah, it's all focused on you.
That's what it is, home.
Oh, that's what that is. Yeah, let me sit down.
No.
I can get it with the knife.
No, we don't need that to put that up. We don't need it.
Yeah, we will. I want to use it.
No, go put it up. It's
I'll put it up later. I'll just put it right there. So no one's over.
You what?
No.
It's 1 key top.
Ooh, there we go. There we go.
Now this part will be way easier.
Probably not.
It's part of it. It's cool. There's the button controls. All the button controls are going right here. All this stuff.
What is that?
That's the button controls for the analog. And then you got these. Select button. And you got the other circle piece.
And after this, I'm going to show you all the parts to it. Take
And
it.
then you got the pieces itself. And I'll rip that, yeah. Just rip it off, but don't like completely rip it. Because that can be reused. Just put all there. Alright, let's see. PlayStation button.
Where? Where's the PlayStation button at?
Right there.
PlayStation button. Good.
Got that up.
Here's the main shell. I'm gonna have to put all this together and make a tweet this on Twitter. There's the whole shit right there. Nothing inside of it. Broken and pieces. Sit back down, dude.
Watch out, that thing's got spikes.
There's where. Oh yeah, I see it. We got
Yeah,
Two-
to stab myself a little bit.
joysticks are no longer here.
Right there.
Where's the other? Oh, vibrator. I forgot. So the vibrator's right
The
here.
vibration system of it. And here's the
There's
later.
the other vibrator, and
Here's the end part of it.
case holds everything.
Alright, so let's do this.
Let's focus.
I've got 4 more left. 4 more left. Yep. 1, 2, 3.
Focus. There we go. Okay, focus. That's all that. Was used here. This was used. Here you got all these pieces right here. Gotta go to the controller. Oh yeah. So guys, it's Blake Napper here, and we were taking a part of a PS4. I mean, a PS3, PS4, sorry, PlayStation 3 controller. This one plays there. There's PlayStation 3. We have 2 controllers up there. We have 2 controllers up there. There's a PlayStation 4 right there. It's under that
box. PlayStation 4. Got all this stuff up there. I wanted to do this before. Alright, so those are every piece
What is that?
to it.
What's that?
A memory card for a PlayStation 3. I mean 2. I've always wanted to see the inside of one. Yeah, but guys, that's every freaking piece.
For PlayStation.
Yeah. The PlayStation 3 controller.
Well, hope you like this video and peace.